Has anyone ever experienced this situation? You clearly went to sleep at home the previous night, but woke up somewhere else the next day? If you have, then maybe you owe yourself a reasonable explanation. A notable teleportation story in the US involves the mysterious Oregon Vortex, a location in Gold Hill, Oregon, known for strange phenomena since the early 20th century. The vortex became famous for its bizarre optical illusions and physical anomalies, such as objects appearing to change size and people seemingly shrinking or growing depending on their position in the area. Some visitors even reported experiences that felt like teleportation within the site. In 1977, in the mysterious region known as the Oregon Vortex, a peculiar teleportation event took place that left locals baffled. The Oregon Vortex, located near Gold Hill, is a site long known for its strange optical illusions and gravitational anomalies. It was here that John Carlson, a local farmer, experienced something that defied explanation. On a quiet evening in July, John had been tending to his crops when suddenly, without any warning, he vanished. Witnesses, including his wife and a neighbor, reported seeing him simply disappear from his field in a flash of light. Panic ensued, and a search party was quickly organized, but after hours of searching the surrounding area, there was no trace of John. The next day, nearly 300 miles away in southern Idaho, John was found dazed and disoriented near a small rural town. He had no recollection of how he had traveled such a vast distance in such a short amount of time, and there was no logical way he could have made the journey on foot or by vehicle within that time frame. More mysteriously, he was still wearing the same work clothes, and his tools were found scattered around him as if he had simply been plucked from his farm and dropped in Idaho. What makes this case particularly strange is that John's disappearance coincided with reports of strange lights in the sky over the Oregon Vortex on the night he vanished. Local UFO enthusiasts speculated that the incident could have been a case of alien abduction, while others believed it might have been due to the area's unique magnetic anomalies. There were even suggestions that the vortex itself could be a natural teleportation portal, though this theory remains highly controversial. Despite numerous investigations by both local authorities and paranormal researchers, no conclusive explanation has ever been found. John's case remains one of the most perplexing teleportation incidents in US history. Could it be that some areas of our planet, like the Oregon Vortex, harbor powers beyond our understanding? Or was this event the work of something extraterrestrial? To this day, the mystery of the Oregon Vortex incident remains unsolved, leaving both skeptics and believers to wonder whether teleportation might one day be proven to be a real phenomenon, hidden within the natural forces of our world. The Oregon Vortex was once considered sacred by Native Americans, who referred to it as forbidden ground and avoided it due to the unusual energy in the area. Horses refused to enter, and many visitors today claim that compasses spin wildly and that the laws of gravity don't seem to apply. While no official teleportation incidents have been documented in a way that aligns with paranormal standards, the area is a hub for curious individuals seeking explanations for the strange forces at play. The story of John Litster, a Scottish physicist who spent years conducting experiments at the Vortex, adds to the mystique. From the 1920s until his death in 1959, Litster studied the odd effects of the vortex, attempting to understand the science behind them. Visitors continue to be mystified, with many speculating whether energy portals, time distortions, or even teleportation might be behind these strange occurrences. Other, similar, mysterious locations. In the US, another famous location known for strange energy and unexplained disappearances is the Bermuda Triangle. This area, stretching between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, has been the site of numerous mysterious ship and plane disappearances. Some theories suggest that these may be linked to time warps or teleportation due to strange magnetic fields, much like the Oregon Vortex. Similarly, in Sedona, Arizona, many people report intense energy vortices, which some believe are gateways to higher dimensions or alternate realities. Visitors often experience unusual sensations of time distortion and disorientation, much like in Oregon. Another noteworthy example is Stonehenge in England. While mostly known as an ancient monument, some believe that the location holds mystical properties, potentially functioning as an ancient energy portal. Legends and myths surrounding Stonehenge include stories of people disappearing, adding to its otherworldly allure. Alien abductions and teleportation. Teleportation theories are often closely tied to alien abduction stories. Some abductees report feeling like they were instantly transported from one location to another, sometimes across vast distances. In the 1950s and 1960s, a surge of alien abduction stories came from the US, notably the famous case of Betty and Barney Hill in 1961. The couple claimed they were taken aboard an alien spacecraft after witnessing strange lights in New Hampshire. During hypnosis, they recalled being instantly moved to the spacecraft from their car, leading some to speculate that aliens possess advanced teleportation technology. In a more modern example, Travis Walton, a logger from Arizona, disappeared for 5 days in 1975 after an alleged encounter with a UFO. Walton claimed that he was taken aboard an alien ship and experienced time and space in ways beyond human comprehension, leaving some to speculate whether the aliens used teleportation to move him. The intertwining themes of energy vortices, time distortions, and alien encounters all feed into theories that teleportation might be connected to larger forces at play. The Oregon Vortex, like other mysterious locations worldwide, has become a focal point for those intrigued by the possibility of humans interacting with unseen dimensions, otherworldly beings, or technologies far beyond our current understanding. Theories of quantum teleportation and time warps. Some scientific theories suggest that the strange events at places like the Oregon Vortex may involve quantum physics. Though teleportation, as seen in science fiction, remains unproven, researchers are exploring the possibilities of quantum entanglement and wormholes. Theoretical physicists speculate that these phenomena could offer explanations for unusual energy fields, time warps, or even instantaneous travel across distances, much like the experiences reported at the Vortex and in alien abduction stories. Some believe these areas may contain natural or artificially created wormholes, which could allow for the kind of spontaneous teleportation witnessed by individuals in these areas. These locations and experiences together suggest a broader phenomenon that might link mysterious forces, time distortion, and teleportation, which continues to fascinate scientists, paranormal enthusiasts, and conspiracy theorists alike. What do you think? Could this be a case of teleportation, alien abduction, or something else entirely?